Hello everyone, my name is Anushree Gajbiye, student of Breathe Science Institute from batch of 17. Today I will tell you about the cell. The cell is the basic structure of a functional unit of a living organism. It was first discovered by Robert Hawkins in 1665. Cell can be classified into two main types of first of prokaryotic cells and the second is a eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells like a membrane bound nucleus, while eukaryotic cells have a distinct nucleus enclosed in a membrane. Within cells, various organelles like the mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi apparatus carry out specific functions. Cells undergo processes such as mitosis and meiosis for growth and repair from reproduction. A cell is a fundamental unit of a life, the smallest structure capable on a basic life processes in a building block of a living organisms. From simple single called microorganism to complex multicellular organisms like a plant and an animal. Cells have a variety of structures and functions, and they can be categorized into two main types of cells: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells lacking membrane bound nucleus, and eukaryotic cell is processing a distinct nucleus enclosed in a membrane. Cells carry genetic materials, replicate and perform specialized functions to contribute to the overall functionings of an organism. The cell theory stating that all living things are composed of cells and that cells are the basic units of a life. The cells form the foundation of a modern biology. Modern biology, the cells there many types of the cell: cell membrane, nucleus membrane, cytoplasm, organelles, ribosome, cytoskeleton, prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell, cell division, cellular respiration and photosynthesis, cell differentiation, stem cells. The cell membrane is also known as the plasma membrane. Surrounds the cell, controlling passage of substances in and out. Nucleus is a eukaryotic cells. The nucleus houses genetic material, that is a DNA, and serve as the control center for cellular activities. That cytoplasm is the semi-fueled substances within the cells containing organelles and provides a medium for cellular organism. Then organelles specialized structure within cells and perform specific functions, and their example is including mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. Then ribosome, cellular structures reproducible for a protein synthesis. Then cytoskeleton, a newton of protein filament that provides structure support, aid in movement and help in the cell division. Then prokaryotic cells, simple cells lacking a membrane bound nucleus, that is bacteria and example for prokaryotes. And then eukaryotic cells is a complex cells with a nucleus and a membrane bound organelles, plants, animals, fungi and protists, for example eukaryotes. Then cell division, the process which cells replicate. Mitosis is responsible for growth and repair, while meiosis involved in a sexual reproduction. Then cellular respiration, the process by which convert nutrients into energy, often occurring in the mitochondria. Then photosynthesis is in plant cells, the process where light energy is converted into chemical energy to produce glucose. Then cell differentiations, the process there where is become specialized for specific functions during development. The stem cells, under differentiated cells with the potential to development into various cell types. Thank you.